Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy and pretty knitting stitch pattern. Friends, from the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like jacket, sweater, cardigan, etc. It is only 4 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 4. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 16 stitches on my needle, 16 multiple of 4. So let's start the first row of the pattern, right side. Slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is, friends, now we will pull a loop from a space just after these 2 stitches, 1 and 2. After these 2 stitches, insert a needle here like this and pull a loop. It must be loose, not much tight. Then yarn in front and purl these 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Then yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Pull a loop after the 2 stitches, then purl 2, knit 2. So the repeat pattern is pull a loop after the space between these 2 stitches, 1 and 2. From here, insert a needle here and pull a loop like this. Then yarn in front and purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. One more repeat. Pull a loop from the space after these 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Then insert a needle here, pull a loop like this. Then yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. So in this way we will complete our first row. At the last I have 3 stitches. Now we will again pull a loop from here, 1 and 2. After these 2 stitches, insert a needle here like this and pull a loop like this. Yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1, 2. Yarn in back, knit the edge stitch. Second row, wrong side. Slip the edge stitch. After that purl 1 stitch. Then purl 2 stitches, 1 this stitch and 1 this loop. Purl these 2 stitches together. After these stitches our repeat pattern will be start, and the pattern is purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Purl 3 stitches, then purl 2 stitches together, 1 stitch and 1 loop. Purl these 2 stitches together. So the repeat pattern is purl 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and purl 2 stitches together. One more repeat, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and purl 2 stitches together. Last I have edge stitch, so purl the edge stitch. Third row, friends, now this pattern will be formed here. So third row, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. After these 2 stitches our pattern will be start, and the pattern is, now we will again make a pattern of first row. pull a loop from here, the space between the space after these two stitches 1 and 2. Insert a needle here like this and pull a loop. Then yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is pull a loop after these 2 stitches, insert a needle here, the space after 2 stitches like this, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. One more repeat, insert a needle here and pull a loop, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches. Last I have edge stitch, so knit that stitch. Fourth row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Purl 3 stitches, then purl 2 stitches together, 1 stitch and 1 loop. Purl these 2 stitches together. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Purl 3, purl 2 stitches together. So the repeat pattern is purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Then purl 2 stitches together like this. One more repeat, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 stitches, then purl 2 stitches together, 1 stitch and 1 loop like this. So in this way we will complete our fourth row. Last I have 3 stitches, so purl the last 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 4 rows. Now after this we will again start from the row 1. So we will continuously repeat these 4 rows until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 4 rows we will get pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.